Hi everybody, Lori here from Frame It Easy. Today I wanted to give you a tour of our frame designer. We've added some new things recently and just want to make sure everyone knows where to find everything they need to in order to create the perfect custom frame. So first, on our home page, if you hit Design Your Frame, it will bring you to our frame designer with these three options. You can choose from just needing a frame, printing and uploading your art, or designing a collage frame. I'll be getting into much more detail of all of our features in individual videos, but for the purpose of the tour, let's start with print my uploaded art. Once you are in our frame designer, you're going to see a lot of options and different ways to customize your frame. So let's first just take a general tour of everything you can do within our frame designer. Up here is how you're going to navigate from section to section. If we start with all, you're going to see every step it takes to design your frame. Choose how many openings you'd like. Step 2, your art options. Step 2B is choosing your paper type. Step 3 is your art size. Step 4 is your frame style. Step 5 is everything and anything matting. And step 6 is your acrylic cover choice. So if we start with frame openings, you're going to see all of the different options you can choose for the number of openings you would like in your display. It starts you off with 1. It gives you a few different templates to start with for a single opening. 2 openings is 2. 3 is 3, and so on. Once we decide on how many frame openings we want, let's choose a single. We can go to our art options. This is where you can upload your art as well as crop it. So let's choose an art print to work with. Perfect. So here is where you can crop the image. If you know that you have a place on your wall for a perfectly square frame, you can crop your art to do so. If you want to clear the image and start over, you can do that. Let's reselect it and move on. Next, we go to our paper type. Here at Frame It Easy, we have 3 paper types: photo paper, art paper, and giclée paper. Let's choose art paper. Now we go to art size, which is where you can configure the size of your art. We have 3 options here: custom, recommended, and standard. Custom is where you can manually enter in the size that you want for your frame. You can play with it here. We also have a section here on our DPI, which helps you understand the quality of the print you're going to get. And you can use this slider to adjust your sizing. Recommended is our recommendations based on the uploaded art print that you selected. Small is going to be the best quality, medium great, large great quality, extra large good quality. This is all to say that no matter what you decide, we will give you an excellent quality print. This just has to do with the size and the DPI, and we have lots of information on that in our Learning Center. Standard. These are all of our standard sizes. These are common picture frame sizes in the industry. If you want a 30 by 30, it will automatically crop to do so. If you want a 10 by 10, same idea. 11 by 14, 12 by 18, and so on. So let's move on with a 10 by 10 frame. Frame style. This is where you're going to see all of the different frame profiles that we offer. On the right hand side, you're going to see each name and each color that we have. Lots of options. Let's say we select Oxford Satin Black. Clicking here into 7/8 of an inch flat metal full view full details is going to give you all the details and specs of this particular frame. Down here we also have a beautiful slider that shows you all of the different profiles just in a different view. It might be a little bit easier for you to play with it this way. We have our beautiful rose gold, derby black, so on and so forth. Moving over to matting, we have the option for you to choose no matting, single matting, and double matting. Obviously, no matting will give you a print and a frame without any matting options. Single matting will give you one single mat, and double is going to give you an outer mat and an inner mat. To keep it simple, we're going to do a single mat board, which is also your outer mat. And here is where we can see all of our mat board options. So we have some sizing here, we have color options, we have black core options, metallic colors, patterns, our premium mat board, and our museum quality as well. We'll go into more detail on each of these options in a future video, but just for the general tour, you can play with your sizing here. Maybe you want 2-inch and 2-inch here. Maybe you want to change it to a white core option. We have some recommended colors, a nice blue, maybe gray, and there you have it. So let's move on to our cover option. We have 3 cover options here at Frame It Easy: clear, non-glare, and conservation clear. Again, lots of information on that in our learning center. Once you have decided on your cover, you have completed designing your frame. So before we add it to our cart, there's a few other things I want to show you with our 3D frame designer. So at any point while designing your frame, you can click your mouse on your design and play around with the 3D controls. This is a great way to see the depth of your frame and just kind of get a real life idea of what this frame is going to look like. Here in our frame details, it gives you all the specifics of what you're about to order. It's a 10 by 10 art size. You have your outside frame dimensions. I chose the derby frame in black. This is my matting, cover details, what kind of print paper I decided on, and our adhesive foam core and hardware is always included. This explode view is awesome. This is where it shows you all the different components of your frame. Again, you can use your mouse to click around and play with it here. You can see all the different components here. You have your cover, the matting, the adhesive foam core where your print will be adhered to, and your picture frame. To get it back, you hit implode. You can always view the front of your frame at any time with this button. To view the corner, it's exactly that. It's going to show you the corner of your frame. It gives you a little bit of a close-up detail of what exactly you're ordering. And again, you can see the depth. View front. So share or save, this is a great little feature. Right here, you can copy this link and share this design with someone if you want to get their opinion on what you're ordering. You can also save the frame to your account here as well. Start over is going to let you start over. It will warn you before doing so, but for the purposes of this video, we're just going to keep editing. Okay, this is our final design. Let's add it to cart. And once again, you're going to see all of the details of your frame, the size of your art, your matting, your paper, etc. From here, if you want to keep going, you can start from scratch and it will bring you right to the beginning. There is lots more you can do. I'm going to do a separate video on creating a collage frame. I'm going to give you more detail on our matting options with all of our bells and whistles here, recommended colors, classic colors, color picker. So stay tuned. I hope this helped.